Il me semble que ce matin le soleil est un peu moins brillant. Serait-ce la fin des vacances?
Oh, God. Okay. Oh, okay, I'm gonna redo some stuff. Stuck with you. Okay. How do I look? Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine. I hope you guys are all doing well during quarantine and staying safe and eating lots of food and cooking. Anyways, for today's video, it is going to be a very highly requested video, and also I just got some new packaging and I'm super excited to package everything up and show it to you guys. But it's going to be a Depop package orders with me video. Look at my shirt. I made it myself. Album cover. I also made an Instagram for my Depop shop. It's at For the Love of Anna. Fun fact, when I was making this YouTube channel, I was choosing between Anna's Crafty Corner or For the Love of Anna, and I chose Anna's Crafty Corner, obviously. But I still love that name, so I decided to name my shop that. I also made a TikTok. I have a personal TikTok. It's at Anna Tran as well, I think. But I also made a TikTok for my Depop shop. It's at For the Love of Anna, so if you guys would like to give it a little follow, just go ahead and do that. I will be linking everything that I use and all the packaging that I use in the description box below, along with like whatever I made, like the stickers and stuff. I'll link it to the videos, to the tutorial videos that I made as well. And most of it is from Amazon because Amazon is your best friend when it comes to small businesses. Yeah, anyways, let's just get on to the packaging. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through all of the orders that I have for today to package up, and there's actually quite a few, and I'm very grateful for all of them, and thank you so much to whoever did purchase. But yeah, so starting off, the first thing that I have to package up is just this cream scrunchie, which is like the prettiest. I think it's one of my favorite because it just goes with everything and it's just so like dainty. And all of my scrunchies go for $3 for one scrunchie or 2 for $5. This next order is actually for Cotton, and I'm just shouting her out because she's so sweet and she mentioned how she loves my YouTube channel, so I just wanted to shout her out. And she's also got her own shop as well. So she just ordered these 2 rings, which I did not make these, but they are really pretty and I love them. This necklace is actually a new collection that I've released. It's $8 for one necklace, and it's honestly so worth it because they're so pretty. And then I've got this pearl necklace, which is $6 each, and these have actually sold a lot and they're pretty popular, and I can totally see why. And then I've just got these 2 scrunchies. Oh, and this order is actually for Love Venus or Allie, and she is so sweet. I definitely want to shout out her shop because she is not only has the best pieces, she's also the prettiest person ever. So just wanted to shout her out. Yeah, so she ordered 2 scrunchies here, and then also this matching set that I've made, and the matching set comes with obviously a matching scrunchie, and then I just have it in this little organza bag because it's just like a matching set, so I want it to look really nice together. Then for my friend, actually Camilla, she ordered these star earrings, which also are kind of like a new collection that I've got out, and it's also pretty popular and I've sold quite a few already. And these are $5 each, which I think is again so cute and really affordable. And then she also just got this scrunchie, which actually kind of matches, and it's the baby print one. The last order for today is just this really pretty chiffon scrunchie once again, and then this necklace in the pink flower. And then she's actually also the winner of my giveaway that was going on, so she also gets 2 extra free scrunchies. And then I just have a little note for her as the giveaway winner. So starting off actually with the backings for these, I just used this old calendar that I have laying around, and it's really pretty, I feel like, and super aesthetic. And these are just a piece of cardboard, or sorry, cardstock, and then I just write pearl necklace on them. And then also on the back of each one, I also just stamp a little heart with a heart stamp that I made a while ago, and then I just put my slogan, which is handmade with hands, and then my signature as well. And then obviously for the ones that I did not make, I just put a stamp and put depop on it. But yeah. And then as for what I put all of these in, I just use these little Ziploc bags from Dollarama, which I think are like $1.50 for 50 of them. And then these smaller ones are perfect for all of the jewelry pieces. And I am aware that these are plastic bags, but I feel like they are Ziploc or zippy bags, so they are reusable, and I'm sure that the buyer can reuse them for like knickknacks and all that sorts of stuff. And then to just seal off all the bags, I have these little thank you stickers, which I actually made myself, and I do have a video on how to make these stickers, so you can just go ahead and check that out if you'd like.
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running on a steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience.
And also for the matching set, because I did hand make them, I just have these little labels, and I'll link the website that I got this label from.
Need a bit of you every time I drink, like a love, like a love.
So now moving on to my business cards, I have a couple of my old ones here, which I'm just going to put with some of the orders, and then I also have my new ones which came in, and I just designed these on Canva. I actually have an unboxing video for those ones if you'd like to check the video out. And my new ones just came in, and I'm so excited about them. They're so cute. I designed them myself, and it's still got my banana logo and my slogan, and then on the back it's like a little nutrition facts thing, and it's just got like my name, YouTuber / crafter, my Depop shop, my YouTube, and my Gmail. And yeah, I think it's just really cute, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So I'm just gonna put it with each order, and then along with each order I just have this little scrunchie coupon that I also designed myself on Canva, and it's just basically you get 2 for $5 with free shipping on your next order. And then also I just have everything put together with these little paper clips that are actually from Dollarama, and they originally look like this, and then I just bent them so that they make little heart shapes, which I think is adorable. And I also have a tutorial on how to change or bend your paper clip into a heart shape. And yeah, I just go ahead and write a little thank you, handwritten thank you note onto each card, just so that it's a little like added personal touch, and I think it's just really nice for the buyer to receive it and see like their name and a little thank you note from me. And for each order, I also like to just include a little sticker as just a little freebie. So I've just got these really pretty holographic heart stickers, which I just picked up from Amazon. And it is so pretty. It comes in a whole pack of 500, so it's pretty affordable. And I include them on the outside of my packages as well, but then I also just like to include one free one just with the purchase as well. So now I just go ahead and wrap everything in some tissue paper, and I just picked up this like white tissue paper from Dollarama, and then I just stamp little hearts on it with the stamp that I made. And yeah, I just go ahead and wrap everything up. Oh, I also like to just add like some flower petals into them. I just think it adds a little extra touch. And these were just really affordable that I got like a couple years back from Target. And it comes in a pack of 100 for $1. And I just also have some pink ones. And then these little flowers, I honestly don't remember where I got these from. Oh, I got these from, I think, a wedding. Like, just like the bride was just like, take anything you want, and we took home like these little decorative bouquet flowers. So yeah, I just thought I'd add those in as well, especially to the ones that ordered the flower necklaces, because those are kind of like limited edition. So yeah. Okay, and as for the envelopes, I just use these, which are from Amazon, and they're the natural craft invitation envelopes, and they are self-seal, so it makes it super easy. And then for the bigger packages and clothing pieces, I just use this poly mailer bag, which I got from Etsy, I believe, and they come in a bunch of different colors. So yeah, and to seal off the envelopes, I just also use these stickers here, and then I also have my handmade stickers here, and they just have my Depop shop name and my slogan. So yeah. Oh, and before I put anything into the envelopes, I just go ahead and write the to address and the from address on the back of the envelopes. So this next part kind of got cut out. Don't know why. I think my mic just like got unplugged or something. But I will just continue on forward with a voice recording. So if it sounds weird, that's why. So basically, I've finished my packaging, and this is how all my orders looked all packaged up. And I just use this little weigh that I got from Walmart to weigh all my packages and then place the stamps on accordingly. And I do use postage stamps because it definitely cuts shipping costs a lot. And if you are interested in like the shipping situation, then just go ahead and check out my other Depop video. I talk about it more in detail there. But yeah, that is basically it. I'm just gonna go head off to the post office, or I did head off to the post office and just dropped them all off. And yeah, so that about wraps up the video for today. I hope you guys are doing well, and also turn on your post notifications. I never say that, but I'm saying it now, so don't miss out. Oh, also, I came out with some new bandanas. For the longest time, I'm sure you guys know, I do sell scrunchies, kind of like that's what I sell on my Depop shop mainly, along with like clothes and stuff. I've also released out some bandanas that I made myself. So I have for now this cream, this vintage floral print, and this yellow gingham, and they are $8 each with shipping. And yeah, so if you're interested, check that out. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends, and ciao! I'm looking rough. Rough enough. Gosh. I miss you guys.